using the digits we have to prepare a greatest 4-digit number and smallest 4-digit numbers. How many digits are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are given, 4 and numbers are given. By using that numerals, we have to prepare a greatest and smallest number. Then see how to make. For greatest number, from this group of numbers, we have to take the bigger one. So 9 is the biggest one. First we take 9, then the smaller than that is 8, then smaller than that 5, and smaller than that. So 9853. This number we prepare by using these digits. This is the greater number. This is the greater number. Then how to form smaller number, smallest. So this is the reverse order. In reverse order we have to take the smallest number first, 3, and greater than that 5, and greater than that 8, and greater than that 9. In this way we have to write. In greatest number we have to take greater number first, means in descending order. This we have to take in descending order, this we have to take ascending order. So simple. So this is also the same. First we have to take a bigger number, 8, and smaller than that, and smaller than that, and smaller than that. And it is in reverse form. So 2, 4, 7, 8 means 2478. 2478. Here, this. In this bigger one is 7, and the lesser than that 4, and lesser than this 2. 7432. This greater number we form by using these 4 digits. And here in smallest number in reverse order, 2, 3, 4, 7. 2347. 2347. Here, how to take this bigger number first? Bigger number 8, then smaller number, smaller than this 3, then smaller than this 1, and smaller than this 1. And here, in the smallest number, whenever 0 will come, don't start with 0 here. If you start with 0, then you will get 3-digit number, not 4-digit number. So whenever 0 is there in group of numbers, don't take 0. 0 is the least one. So bigger than the 0 you have to take. Bigger than the 0, 1. You start from here, 1. Then after that you take 0. After that you have to take 0 and in the order 3, 8. This is the 4-digit smaller number we have to prepare. So whenever 0 will come, so we have to start with a second smaller number, then after that 0, and after that the same order. So in that order we have to take. In this case, so we have to remember these things. Then here in this 4-digit again the same, 6421. 64. This is the greatest number we have to form, 6421. Smallest number in reverse order. 1, 2, 4, 6 means 1246. 1246. Now here, the greatest number is 5 here, greater. Then smaller than this 2, 3, 2, 1. This is the greater number we form by using these digits. And smaller number, 1, 2, 3, 5 means 1235. 1235. And here, this is already in order, 57532. This is the bigger number, and smaller number in reverse order, 2357 means 2357. In this way we have to prepare a bigger number means smaller. The largest and greatest, or otherwise greatest. Largest, greatest, bigger, whatever you say. So largest, greatest number like this, and smallest number. In this way we have to prepare by using the digits, these 4 digits. And after that, yes, now students, arrange the following numbers in ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means already we discussed in our previous classes. Ascending order means increasing order, descending order means decreasing order. Increasing order means from smaller to bigger, from smaller to bigger. Descending order means from bigger to smaller. This is the difference between ascending order and descending order. Here he is asking ascending order and descending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numerals are given. So these 5 numerals, first we have to arrange in ascending order, then after that we have to arrange in descending order. This is the first numeral, second, third, fourth and fifth. In these 5 numerals, first we have to select a smaller one. How to choose? How to decide which one is smaller and which one is bigger? Here, first number of digits we have to count. How many digits are there and each and every numeral. Starts from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numerals. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numerals. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numerals. 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. In all numerals, in all 5 numerals, 4 digits were there. How many digits were there? 4 digits were there. So if all are equal digits, then now we are going to decide which one is smaller. We start from left side. Left side first digit. This is first, this is first, this is first, this is first, and this is first. In this first, 1 is there here. Here 1, here 6, here 4, here 8 and 5. 1, 6, 4, 8, 5. In all this is the least one. This is the smallest one. This we arrange first. Then greater than this one is 4. This is in second. After 4, 5 will come. This is third. After 5, 6 will come. This is fourth position. So this is in fifth position. So in this order we have to arrange. First, this is 1007. This is 1771. This one, and this one 4522, and 5432. Next, the fourth one is 6217, and the seventh one is the fourth one, and fifth one is last 8392. 8392. So what is the order first? How to decide first? How many numerals are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 numerals are given. These 5 numerals we have to arrange ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing order means first we have to put here smaller one. Smaller one first we have to, for deciding smaller one. So we have to first count number of digits in all numerals. In all numerals we have 4 digits. Equal digits we have. Then after that, now we have to decide which one is smaller. Further, so we have to compare first left side first digit, that is thousands place value. Here 1000. In all 1000 place values, first 1 is there, 6 is there, 4 is there, 8 is there, and 5 is there. So in this 1 is the least, means this comes first. Here 1771, and the second 4522, fourth one, 4 is there here. 4522 is in second place, and third 5432, and fourth place 6217, and fifth place 8392. So in this order we have to arrange. And for descending order we have to take in reverse order. The last one here, the first one, 839, here the first one. Second last one, here the second one, 6217. The third one, here also the third one, 5432. Here the second one, here the second last one, 4522. Here the first one, here the last one. In order we have to arrange. So these are, this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, and this is fifth. Ascending order, descending order, both are vice versa, means they are opposite to each. Now, one more question is there in ascending order, descending order. In this also we have to decide which one is smaller first, because ascending order first we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order we have to arrange first, then for that first we have to count number of digits. How many numerals were given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numerals were given. In these 5 numerals, first we have to find number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 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 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. In all 4 digits were there. If equal digits are there, then how to decide? First we go for first place, means from left to right. Left, that is thousands place value. Here thousands place, here thousands place, thousands place, thousands place, and thousands place. In thousands place, first 8 is there, 4 is there, 1 is there, 5 is there, and 7 is there. In all, 1 is the first, least one. 1 value. This is first place. That is 1791. Then after 1, 4 will come. This is in second place. 4212. Then after 4, 5 will come. This is in third place. 5505. Then after 5, 7 will come. This is in fourth place. 7588. Then after 7, 8 will come. This is in fifth place. 8077. In this way we have to arrange ascending order. Ascending order means first we have to count number of digits. How many digits are there in all? In all 4 digits are there. If equal digits were there, then we have to decide which one is bigger than how. Then we start from left side digit, that is thousands place value. Here thousands place value, here thousands place value, here thousands, here thousands, here thousands. Here thousands place value, here 8 is there, here 4 is there, here 1 is there, here 5 is there, here 7 is there. These values first we decide which one is least. 1 is the least. And bigger than this 4. 1 after 4, 4 after 5, 5 after 7, 7 after 8. These are in ascending order, increasing order from small to big, ascending order. Then descending order is also given. Descending order is vice versa. Then the last one will comes first one from bigger to smaller. 8077. The last one comes first one here. The second last one here. The second one. And here the third one, here also third one. Here the second one, here second last one. Here the first one, here the last one. In this order we have to write ascending order and descending order. This is the procedure how to write ascending order and descending order. Yes, now here the formation of 5-digit number, then how we form 5-digit number. Already we explained, again see here 4-digit. Four-digit greatest number. So how many digits? 4 digits. Then we take here 4 nines, 9999. This is our 4 digits greatest number. So for this number, if we add plus 1, then what happened here? 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means 0 here and 1 here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means 0 here and 1 here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means 0 here and 1 here. 9 plus 1, 10. Then this is a 5-digit number. See here how it is a 5-digit number. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is our 5-digit number. After adding plus 1 to greatest 4-digit number, that is 9999, then we get 5-digit number. This is the smallest 5-digit number. 10,000. 10,000 is a smallest 5-digit number. Then how to read? This is, we know this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place, this is 10,000s place, 10,000s place, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Till here we know, till 4 places we know. This is the 5th place, one more extra place. So we got, after adding plus 1 to greatest 4-digit number, we got 10,000. This is in thousands place. If we add plus 1 to 10,000, then we will get 10,001. 10,001. This is 10,001. If we want to check 10,001 plus, if we add 0 plus 1, we know 0 plus 1 is 1, and this 0 as it is, this 0 as it is, this 0 as it is, 10,001. 10,001. This is the smallest 5-digit number. This is the greatest. This is the after adding plus 1 to this 10,000, we get 10,001. This is the smallest. When we add greatest 4-digit number to plus 1, then we get smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. This you have to remember. So what if we add plus 1? If we add plus 1 to greatest 4-digit number, then we will get smallest 4-digit number. So this concept you remember. So how to form 5-digit number? This is the concept. For greatest 4-digit number, if we add plus 1, then we got smallest 5-digit number. Now here, periods and places. So then how to know this? If a number is given, then what is the period and what is the places? Then this shows period. This shows places. Here, first place is ones place, the second place is tens place, the third place is hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundred. The fourth place is thousands place. Till here we know. Till here we learn third class and recapitulate and everything is over in our previous exercise till here. Then after the thousands place, 10,000s place will come. This is a fifth place. This is a fifth place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 5-digit number. It means 5-digit number. So before we discuss how to form 5-digit number, after adding plus 1 to greatest 4-digit number, we form 5-digit number. 5-digit number means 10,000s place. That is 10,000s place. That is nothing but 10,000s place. Here, ones, tens, 100. Till these three places comes under ones period. 1000 and 10,000, this comes under thousands period. So ones period and thousands period. So this is a period and this is a place. You have to remember these two things. What is the period and what is the place value. So then after that we are going to discuss here about this number. How many places we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places we have. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place, this is 10,000s place. In 10,000s place 4 is there. In 10,000s place 4 is there, means 4 10,000s. 4 10,000, like 4 10,000. 10,000 plus 10,000 plus 10,000 plus 10,000. 4 is in 10,000s place, means 10 4,000s. That is 40,000. That is 40,000. 4 is in 10,000s place, so that is why it is 40,000. In the same way, 2 is in thousands place. 2, how many 2? How many thousands were there? 2,000s were there. 2,000s were there. So that is why we have to write 1,000 2 times. 1,000 plus 1,000, which gives rise to 2,000. 1,000 plus 1,000, 2,000. Why? Because here 2 is there in thousands place. Next, after that 3 is there. 3 is in hundreds place. How many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds are there. So that is why we have to write hundreds 3 times. 100 plus 100 plus 100, which gives rise to 300. Then after that 6 in tens place. How many tens we have to write? 6 tens we have to write. 6 tens. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, which gives rise to 60. Then 5 is in ones place. How many times we have to write 1? 5 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which gives us to 5. If we add all, again we get the same thing. 42,365. 42,365. Then once again, listen. 42,000. 4 is in 10,000s place. How many 10,000s we have to take? 4 10,000s. 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. That is 40,000. 2 is in thousands place, so that is why 2,000s we have to add. We have to add 2,000s. Then after that 3 in hundreds place. 3 hundreds we have to add. Then 6 in tens place, 6 tens we have to take 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, that is 60. 5 in ones place, 1, 5 times we have to add, then we get 5. After adding all this, then we will get the same result, 42,365. If you want to add, then add and see your answer. First one is 14,000, second one is 2,000, third one is 300, fourth one is 60, and fifth one is 5. In this row 5, in this row 6, in this row 3, in this row 2, in this row 4. 42,365. 42,365. It means when 4 is in 10,000's place, that is 40,000. 2 is in thousands place, that is 2,000. 3 is in hundreds place, that is 300. 6 is in tens place, that is 600. And 5 is in ones place, that is 5. Then after that, after thousands period, 100,000 will come, and after that million will come. So this 100,000 and million, this is international system, not an Indian system. This is international system. In international system, after 10,000, 100,000 will come. Then after 100,000, million will come. But in Indian system, after 10,000, lakhs will come. After lakhs, 10 lakhs will come. It means 1 million. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs make 1 million. 10 lakhs make 1 million. Millionaire means those who is having 10 lakhs, he is a millionaire. He is a millionaire. So that is the 10 lakhs. This is the million. So sometimes he will ask, 1 million is equal to dash lakhs. How many lakhs make a million? 10 lakhs make 1 million. 10 lakhs make 1 million. This is in international system. After 10,000, 100,000 is there. After that, million is there. Actually, we are going to discuss up to 5-digit numbers only, till here only. So this we are going to learn in your next classes or next topic.